Did you know the world's most famous art theft was pulled off by a simple handyman with a screwdriver? On August 21st, 1911, Louvre guards discovered something shocking. The Mona Lisa was gone. At first, they assumed it was being photographed elsewhere, but hours passed with no sign of Da Vinci's masterpiece. The thief was Vincenzo Peruggia, an Italian contractor who had worked in the museum for months. He studied guard routines, memorized their schedules, and planned his move perfectly. The night before, he hid in a supply closet with tools from his maintenance kit. When morning came, he simply walked up to the painting and removed it from its frame. Then he strolled out of the Louvre with the world's most recognizable artwork under his arm. For 2 years, he kept it hidden in his tiny Paris apartment while police questioned everyone, including Pablo Picasso. In 1913, he tried selling it to a Florence art dealer, believing it belonged in Italy. That's when they caught him. His patriotic motive earned him a light sentence and made the Mona Lisa legendary.